Hey guys, and welcome back. So I don't know about you, but there's something quite satisfying about taking down the decorations, cleaning and starting a fresh new year. So today I'm doing another clean with me to help give you a bit of motivation for the start of 2018. Now, I had already taken down the other decorations, and so the living room was the last room to tackle. So here I'm working in sections, starting off with the TV unit. I'm taking down all the decorations here and using these handy IKEA food bags to bag everything up. So I'm just bagging up smaller things that may get lost, and that way they stay organized, tidy, and you can clearly see what's in each bag. Next, moving on to the cleaning portion, I'm currently using this Cleanology Rose and Wild Mint multi-purpose cleaner, as well as my vinegar solution for cleaning the glass. I'm then bringing back in all the normal lounge decor that had been stored away over Christmas. So this ladder style shelf is a new addition to the living room that we picked up just after Christmas from IKEA. I'll put the link to it down below, but I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to style it, etc. But it for sure fills up this empty space in our living room that we've been wanting to do something with for ages. Next, moving on to the other side of the room, I was definitely ready to tidy up this section and bring in the regular living room decor and just get back to some normality. Finally, it was time to tackle my least favourite task of taking down the tree. It always looks so bare afterwards, but it really did need to come down as it was definitely on its last legs. So to store all the decorations away, I use old shoe boxes, perfume boxes, or whatever I have to hand to organise everything into sections. Then I label everything on the outside so you can see what's where when you come to do it all again. Oh wow.
Cut.
So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a thumbs up if it inspired you to get motivated for the new year too. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter for more inspiration, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video, which will be a beauty video on Friday. So have a great rest of the week guys, and I will see you then.